I have a river back there. At least I'm not standing in it like I was in the camper. We gotta get more field dirt. Gotta fix that. Ooh. I did not like that. And I can see way back there where the creek is overflowed. But you don't quite know where you need the dirt until it rains. And the goat barn is sort of up on a small hill, so there's no floods over there, which is good. And we do have to fill in some holes on the metal roof for the hens there and get some type of PVC pipe across there so the water don't drip down in there as much. And then finish filling more field dirt in there. But at least they got some dry area there, and if they don't like it, they can go inside the coop. Yep. Oh well. We needed rain, just not this much.